Welcome to VBM Mathematics classes. Today I am going to discuss the shortcuts in the tangent and normals. Now see the first shortcut. Equation of tangent at origin to y square is equal to x square into 1 plus x plus x square. Second problem, x square plus y square plus 3x plus 4y equal to 0. Now equation of tangent at origin is nothing but the least degree terms equal to 0. Now in this first bit what they given, y square is equal to x square into 1 plus x square. They given this. Now if we simplify this, x square, x cube and x power 4. Bring one side, this is a x square minus y square plus x cube plus x power 4 is equal to 0. Now in this, these are the least degree terms. Now these least degree terms equal to 0, then that is the equation of tangent. So how many factors are there? Two factors are there. Therefore these are the two tangents. Therefore x minus y is equal to 0, one tangent at the origin, and another tangent is x plus y is equal to 0. Now these are the two tangents for this curve. And in the same way, in that second bit, they given the circle equation. Now they are asking the tangent at the origin. Therefore, what are the least degree terms? These are the least degree terms. These least degree terms equal to 0, then that is a tangent equation. Therefore, this is a simplest formula. Okay. See the second shortcut. Now the tangent equation at px1 comma y1 to x to the power of n plus y to the power of n is equal to a to the power of n. The tangent equation we write in that one x is separated is x1, and in this one y is separated, and remaining is y1 power n minus 1 is equal to a to the power of n. This is a tangent equation for any curve at the point x1 comma y1. From the x power n, one x separated, remaining x1 power n minus 1. Now if you see the degree again, this 1 plus n minus 1 will be the n. Now y power n, one y is separated, remaining degree n minus 1, that write in terms of y1. This is the simplest method we use in many problems. Now see the example. Tangent at any point on this meets the axis in capital A comma capital B, then what is the length AB? This curve is we are drawing like this, tangent at any point. I am taking the px1 comma y1. I am taking the px1 comma y1. Now the tangent meets the axis in A comma B. Then what is the length AB? Now what is the tangent equation at px1 y1? Let px1 comma y1 any point on x to the power of 2 by 3, y to the power of 2 by 3 is equal to a to the power of 2 by 3. Now this is the equation 1. What is the tangent equation? From x power 2 by 3, one x is separated. Remaining what will be the, that is x1 power minus 1 by 3. And here, in this y power 2 by 3, one y is separated, the y1 power minus 1 by 3 is equal to a power 2 by 3. This is a tangent equation. Now this I am writing x upon x1 power 1 by 3, y upon y1 power 1 by 3 is equal to a power 2 by 3. Then how we get x-intercept? That x-intercept OA, is nothing but x-intercept OA nothing but how much? For x-intercept, keep y coordinate 0. Y is equal to 0 right here, that x-intercept is what? A power 2 by 3 into x1 power 1 by 3. What will be the y-intercept OB? For y-intercept OB, keep x is equal to 0. Put x 0, this becomes 0, then y will be a power 2 by 3 into y1 power 1 by 3. Therefore, a power 2 by 3 into y1 power 1 by 3. Now what we want? We want length AB. They are asking the length AB. That's why that length AB square is equal to, this is a right angle triangle, OA square plus OB square. We got like this. And this, what is the OA square? This is the OA square, a power 4 by 3 x1 power 2 by 3, a power 4 by 3 y1 power 2 by 3. Therefore, a power 4 by 3 common, x1 power 2 by 3 y1 power 2 by 3. But where is x1? x1 is on the curve. That is why keep in that. Now if we keep x1 in this, that becomes x1 power 2 by 3 y1 power 2 by 3 is equal to a power 2 by 3. We got this condition. We can write here a power 2 by 3. Therefore a power 4 by 3 into this is a power 2 by 3. Therefore how much we got? We got a square. Now therefore this implies we got ab square is equal to a square, and therefore ab will be equal to a. Okay na? Therefore ab is equal to what? I am writing here that ab square is equal to, we got a square, therefore that ab will be equal to a. Therefore this length, portion of tangent between the axis, ab length is what? A. Now similarly many problems are there on this, we can solve like this. Now here instead of x1 we can consider a cos cube theta comma a sin cube theta. Now by that way also we can solve, but this is a simple than that method. Now see that next example, the tangent at any point on this root x plus root y is equal to root a meets axis in a comma b, then what is the OA plus OB, where O is the origin. Now we are drawing the graph of this one. Let p x1 comma y1 any point on the curve. Now what is the tangent equation at the point x1 y1? From the root x take one separate x, it will be minus 1 by 2, that is a minus x1 power 1 by 2. See this one here, what is the degree again? 1 minus 1 by 2 is what? 1 by 2 only. This x power how much it is? 1 by 2. That is the x1 power 1 minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2 only. From this y power 1 by 2, separate 1y. Remaining how much? Why? Because 1 minus 1 by 2 is 1 by 2. This a root a will be the same, no change. Now this x upon x1 power 1 by 2, y upon y1 power 1 by 2 is equal to root a. Now how we get that x-intercept to OA? For x-intercept to OA, keep y coordinate 0. Keep y coordinate 0, we get the x-intercept. Put y coordinate 0 here, that x will be right root a into x1 power 1 by 2. What about the OB? For y-intercept to OB, keep x coordinate 0. Put x0, this will be 0, y will be equal to root a into y1 power 1 by 2. Therefore, root a into y1 power 1 by 2. And here they are asking the OA plus OB. What is OA plus OB? This is a OA plus OB. Okay na? Now what is the OA? Root a x1 power 1 by 2 root a y1 power 1 by 2. Okay. Now see that in that OA plus OB, that root a is common, remaining root x1 plus root y1. This is the root x1 plus root y1. Now where is the point x1 y1? x1 y1 is a point on the curve. Keep in that what will be that one? Root x1 plus root y1 is equal to root a. Therefore by using this condition, root a into what about this one? That is a root a. Root a into root a, that is a. Therefore OA plus OB, we got the a. This is the answer, OA plus OB. Okay, got it? We can solve many problems simply. Now see the next example. If the tangent at any point on the curve x by a whole to the power of 2 by 3, y by b whole to the power of 2 by 3 is equal to 1, makes intercepts p comma q on the coordinate axis. What is the p square by a square plus q square by b square is equal to how much? That answer is 1. Now here let p x1 comma y1 any point on the curve. This is a Px1 comma y1, any point on the curve. Then what is the tangent equation? Now this I am writing 1 by a power 2 by 3, x power 2 by 3, 1 by b power 2 by 3, y power 2 by 3 is equal to 1. Now we want a tangent equation at the point x1 comma y1. How we write here 1 by a power 2 by 3. Now from this x power 2 by 3, 1x is separated. Right, degree how much separated? 2 from the 2 by 3, remaining how much? Minus 1 by 3. That becomes x1. Now if we see again, 1 minus 1 by 3 will be total 2 by 3. Here also in the y power 2 by 3, y power 1 is separated. How much? Minus 1 by 3. That is a y1 power minus 1 by 3. This 1 by b power 2 by 3 will be the same. Is equal to 1. We got the tangent equation. Okay. Now here what they are telling, this is a x-intercept is a p and the y-intercept is a q. How we get the x-intercept? By this x-intercept OA. For x-intercept keep y-coordinate 0. Now if we keep y-coordinate 0, this one, then what is the x-coordinate? That x-coordinate a power 2 by 3 by x1 power minus 1 by 3. Put y is 0, this y is 0, therefore x is equal to a power 2 by x1 power minus 1 by 3. This is a power 2 by 3, x1 power plus 1 by 3. Again, what is the y-intercept OB? For y-intercept OB, keep x-coordinate 0. Okay. Now, if you write x-coordinate, this x is equal to 0, then this will be 0. Then what will be the y? Y is equal to b power 2 by 3 by y1 power minus 1 by 3. Therefore, this will be b power 2 by 3, y1 power 1 by 3. And what they given x-intercept? X-intercept is a p given. P is equal to a power 2 by 3 into x1 power 1 by 3. And what about the OB y-intercept is a q given. Q is equal to b power 2 by 3 into y1 power 1 by 3. This is a p by a, let us find out. P by a power 2 by 3, x1 power 1 by 3 by a. Right, therefore this will be x1 power 1 by 3 by 1 minus 2 by 3, that is a 1 by 3. And again, that is a q by b. This is a q by b. B power 2 by 3 into y1 power 1 by 3 by b. Right, therefore what will be this one? B power 2 by 3. Right, therefore this is a y1 power 1 by 3 by b power 1 by 3. Right, 1 minus 2 by 3 will be 1 by 3. Now p by a whole square plus q by b whole square. P by a whole square is square of this one. x1 by a whole to the power of 2 by 3. Q by b whole square is square of this one. Square of that is what? y1 by b whole to the power of 2 by 3. If I square it, we get the 2 by 3, 2 by 3. Then what is the p? P is a point on the curve, that is why x1 by a whole to the power of 2 by 3, y1 by b whole to the power of 2 by 3 is equal to 1. P is a point on the curve, keeping that we get like this. Now therefore this is equal to 1 according to this condition. Therefore what we got? P square by a square, q square by b square, we got 1. Therefore this is this formula we can use in the any problems. That's why this shortcut is very, very important. And remaining 5 shortcuts are there that I will discuss in the next video. Thank you all, thank you very much. Please like, share, subscribe and comment.